Hey guys, how are you going? Today one of my friends brought me some clay. I'm gonna show you another view of my slime ASMR, but it's basically just like that. I called it slime clay, but it's air dry clay. And I'm gonna add it to the slime that I showed you guys. I think it was yesterday. Get slime. So I'm thinking I might do some. What should I do? Should I just swirl balls? I might do split it in half, and then I'm gonna swirl it. Alright, so I'm gonna swirl in half of my slime. Here you go, guys. I'm hoping it doesn't ruin the slime. I don't think it will. Okay guys, shall we make some balls to go on the top of it? Oh wow, it's inflated a lot actually. Oh no, it won't fit in the container. Oh god. Alright, I'm just gonna make some balls that we can swish in. Alright, I'll leave you guys to the ASMR. I'm just gonna Alright, this slime has actually gotten a lot bigger. So, here you go guys. I think I'm pretty much done now. But, I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Give me a like, and comment down below what you'd like to see in my next video.